Thank you for visiting True's Service and Documentation YouTube channel. In this video, we will walk you through the process of assembling an Octane treadmill. The Octane treadmill family includes the OC100, the OC160 and the OC220. Each number coincides with the console. In this video, we use the OC220 treadmill, meaning it has a 22-inch console. This video is a supplement to the instructions included with your product. Always refer to the owner's manual and assembly guide for important safety warning and assembly information. Here's a quick look at the tools we suggest you will need to put an Octane treadmill together. First, you will need to unbox and verify box contents. Make sure all parts are present and not damaged before continuing. Note: the console ships in the box with the treadmill. Step 1. Remove motor cover and motor cover caps. Remove the 3 screws, then lift and slide out the motor cover. Remove both motor cover caps. Each cap has 2 screws holding them in place. Step 2. Route, connect cable and attach pedestal assemblies. We will start with the right pedestal. Remove the ties securing the cable to the bottom of the pedestal. Connect the cable from the bottom of the right pedestal to the cable in the base. Slide the right pedestal onto the frame. Important: do not pinch the cables. Finger tighten the 3 bolts with washers to loosely attach the pedestal to the frame. Repeat the process on the other pedestal. Note: the left side does not have any cables. Step 3. Route, connect cable, and attach the console frame assembly. Remove the ties securing the cable at the top of the right pedestal. Using 2 people, connect the cable from the right pedestal to the cable in the console frame assembly. Careful to not pinch the cables, gently place the console frame assembly onto the pedestal. Secure the console frame assembly to the pedestals using 4 hex screws. Step 4. Fully tighten the pedestal assemblies and insert cup holders. Fully tighten the left and right pedestals to the frame. Note: tighten the inside bolt on each pedestal first, and then tighten the top 2 bolts. This helps draw the pedestals tighter to the base and makes reattaching the motor covers easier. Next, insert the 2 cup holders into the console frame assembly. Step 5. Attach the console mount and connect cable. Separate the console rear cover from the console mount assembly and set aside the rear cover. Place the console mount assembly into the brackets on the console frame assembly. Using 4 socket head screws, 4 flat washers, and 4 hex nuts, secure the console mount assembly to the brackets on the console frame assembly. Use a 6mm Allen wrench and 13mm wrench to fully secure in place. Connect the console cable to the console frame assembly cable. Step 6. Connect power, verify console power is on, and attach console mount rear cover. Connect the power cord into an outlet and power on the treadmill. Verify the console power is on. Press the console mount rear cover into place. Step 7. Reattach motor cover caps and motor cover. Reattach both motor cover caps. Remember, they go on from the outside of the pedestal. Next, slide the motor cover back into place and secure with 3 screws. Step 8. Level the treadmill. Verify the treadmill is level. Use the lock nuts to adjust the feet. Fully tighten the lock nuts so it is flush with the bottom of the frame. Step 9. Safety key use. Attach the safety clip to user's clothing at the beginning of any workout. Disengage the safety key when the treadmill is not in use. Step 10. Test the treadmill. If adjustments need to be made, check the owner's manual or our service videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact your rep or our service department if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thank you for supporting True Fitness.